MC2 is about factorization and index. So for those questions, you can see here, you just put X and put Y, substitute, okay? Put X, and for this one here, put X and put Y. You just let a number to that. Okay, so for only one unknown, you can let it into pi. Why? Because pi, you can shift exp to press it in the calculator. So it actually put equals to 3.1415. Okay, so it put in pi, you can directly press it in calculator. For n here, you can put it as pi as well. But sometimes, if this one you put pi, the number may be too large, so the calculator cannot show the enough digits. So if that happens, you can let the n here to be equal to a smaller number, let's say 0.01. Okay, and this one you can same logic. The alpha here you can let it into, let's say, pi or just 0.01, small number, and then you test which answer align with the answer you calculate. Okay, so very easy question type, but just familiar yourself with the calculator. So more question here, just for you to practice, and then the answer you can find online. I think you just need to practice 5 questions, that's enough. Okay, but for this type of question, you can see 5 unknowns here, right? 5 unknowns, so you better just do it. And index question, all can substitute. Okay, all can substitute a number in. Okay, I want to talk about this type. So for this type of question, how we do it? Actually, when we have the same index, let's say 8222 and times 5222, you can directly times the numbers here together. So 5, 8, 40, 222. So now what we need to do is make them into the same. Okay, the largest one can always be the smaller one. Okay, so it equals to 5 to the power 3 times 222. So it equals to 125 to the power 222 times 8, 222. So 125 times 8 to the power 222 equals to 1,222. And then 1,000, you can see no option there, right? So you make it into 10. This is 10 to the power 3. So actually 3 times 222. So the question should be 8. The answer should be 8. So you can also use the logarithm. How? When you log the whole thing, log 8, and then the square will come down, right? So the index there, the index here will become a multiple. So here it looks like this, and then you calculate what is it, and then log the answer as well, log 10, and then put down the index, and then if you find out if they equal to each other, then that is the answer. So you can try this one as well. Remember that 1 over 9, it equals to 9 to the power negative 1. So here actually is 9 to the power negative 555. Okay? So in green color, we use the log method, and then in red color, we check with the every option. Okay, every option. And then in yellow, the answer in yellow is the normal way to do it. So you just choose one that you can understand. Okay, you think you can do it.